Jammu and Kashmir lost its special status in 2019. The vice president of the National Conference, Omar Abdullah, consistently stated that the party would never contest the assembly elections. However, the former chief minister of the Union Territory has gone back on his word and has announced that the National Conference will, in fact, be contesting in the upcoming Jammu and Kashmir assembly elections, slated to take place in 3 phases in September and October.
शायद 87-88 के बाद ये पहली मर्तबा है कि इतने कम अरसे के अंदर और इतने कम फेजेस में इलेक्शन जो हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में कराए जा रहे हैं। जाहिर सी बात है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के लिए ये एक नया तजुर्बा होगा, लेकिन मैं नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के तरफ से इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि हम पहले से ही इस दिन की तैयारी में लगे हुए थे और बिल्कुल फौरी तौर हम अपना इलेक्शन का सिलसिला जो है वो शुरू कर लेंगे।
And the Bharatiya Janata Party, on the other hand, is holding a meeting today at its headquarters in Jammu to discuss the party's poll strategy for the upcoming assembly polls. From Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy to senior BJP leaders like Jitendra Singh and Nirmal Singh, several of the party's top brasses will be present at the meeting to discuss names of probable candidates for the Jammu and Kashmir elections.
एक राजनीतिक पार्टी होने के नाते, मुख्य दल होने के नाते स्वाभाविक बात है कि कैंडिडेट्स की सिलेक्शन भी होनी है और विभिन्न विषयों पर बात भी होनी है, रणनीति भी बनेगी, आगे रैलीज होंगी, तो अलग अलग जो प्रबंधन है उसके बारे में भी चर्चा की जाएगी। ये पहले लोकसभा में नकारे जा चुके हैं, तो आगे इनकी स्थिति क्या बनती है ये समय बताएगा।
रणनीति तो कैंडिडेट्स की सिलेक्शन करना एक और रणनीति का पार्टी है, बाकी रणनीति है जैसे मैनिफेस्टो जो है लगभग तैयार हो चुका है, उसको फाइनल टच दे रहे हैं। अलग अलग जो है जिलों में कार्यक्रम हो रहे हैं, असेंबली के स्तर के ऊपर हो रहे हैं, त्रिदेव सम्मेलन हो गए हैं, हमारे मोर्चों के सेल्स के जो सम्मेलन हो चुके हैं, तो इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरी तैयारी में है।
Crossing over to my colleague Pradeep, who's been tracking the developments ever since the Election Commission has announced the dates for the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, which are highly awaited. Pradeep, the National Conference will now be taking part in the elections. What do you think has changed in the mind of Omar Abdullah?
See, what actually the National Conference is saying that they are going solo, they will be forging any kind of an alliance, because during the Lok Sabha election, we had seen that National Conference had forged alliance with Congress Party. And that's one of the reasons that they had decided that in Jammu they will not be contesting. But so far as assembly elections are concerned, the dynamics are totally different. So they will be contesting election of their own. And later on, once the election will be over, depends on the number of the seats they will be getting. Accordingly, they will be deciding whether they have to forge alliance with Congress, or even they are thinking of forging alliance with the PDP at the point of time. They are even open to that idea. But so far, they are tight-lipped. They are saying that we are going alone in this election, and almost all the political parties will be contesting election alone, whether it's a PDP, whether it's a Congress, whether it's National Conference, whether it's BJP. But yes, it's a very crucial meeting so far as the BJP is concerned, because ever since the election dates have been announced, they are meeting for the first time in Jammu and Kashmir, and during this meeting, they are going to discuss about the names of the probables. What we have been told by sources that they will be considering new faces, young faces, and many of those old guards will be dropped. That's what they have decided, because the reason being, recently there was a meeting between Sundar Rana and Home Minister and also President of the party, Mr. J.P. Nadda, and during that meeting, they were told that they should look for new faces if they want to galvanize voters, because many of those old faces have lost the credibility, because people feel that they haven't done much what was required from their side. And the second thing is they are also going to decide about the strategy for poll campaigning. What we have been told is that in coming weeks, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, even Home Minister, and J.P. Nadda, the President of the party, they all will be coming and campaigning for the BJP leaders in different constituencies in Jammu and Kashmir, and the campaigning will start by ending August. That's what we have been told. So that they can get the impetus, and that was really going to help the party get more seats. Because when last time elections were held in 2014, they had got 25 seats, and this time they want to improve number, though anti-incumbency factor is also there. Many people feel that their number can come down, but the BJP is quite confident. They are saying that whatever government will be formed, if BJP will be part of that. But this time they are refraining from giving the exact number of seats they will be getting, because last time they were saying we'll be getting more than 40. This time they are not saying anything in this regard. Maybe the lesson they have learned after this recent Lok Sabha election, where they were saying up ki baat 400 par. So they are not making any claims or posting about anything.
Okay.
But yes, they are saying that we'll be getting more seats this time, and that's for that they are having a meeting, and they have rolled down their heads to discuss about the poll strategy, campaigning strategy. Also, name of the probables will be discussed during this meeting.